Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick little 5-minute review of the Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. So, if that is a product that interests you, then definitely keep on watching. So, with the Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb, it is a lightweight gel cream that provides a burst of hydration for a healthy glow and acts as a cooling and refreshing drink of water for dull, dry skin. That is the description that Sephora gives. It retails for $38. I definitely agree with the description. It is super hydrating, which I love for my skin. I have dry skin, so this is super awesome for my skin. It also does have a nice like gel cream kind of hybrid kind of consistency, which I love. It absorbs really quickly into the skin, which is awesome, and it has a very light, subtle scent. It's not like too overpowering. It's really soft and subtle. You'll barely notice it's there, but it's a nice kind of scent to go along with it. It kind of smells to me like lime sherbet, which is kind of weird. I don't know, but I think it's really nice. And it has like a nice little kind of light blue color. It almost looks like water. Because it's a drink of water for dull, dry skin. Sephora says that it is intended for normal, dry combination and oily type skin. I would say more so, I feel like it's intended more for drier skin, like maybe normal to dry skin. However, I guess because it is like a gel cream hybrid, it could work well for oily skin because it will absorb quickly into the skin. So I think just like kind of like look out for that. Maybe if you do have oily skin, kind of maybe give it a try, but kind of do watch out for that it is very hydrating. It is supposed to kind of subdue dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. That is the skincare concerns for this product. And its highlighted ingredients are Lady's Mantle, which is known for its skin nurturing properties, ceramide 3 that helps skin retain water, and glycerin, which helps maintain skin's moisture levels. So overall, this is a really awesome product. It's kind of like mid-range when it comes to pricing at $38. It's not the cheapest thing at Sephora, but it's also not the most expensive thing. It's just kind of right there in the middle. So I feel like it's a fairly good price, especially for what you're getting. So I would definitely recommend this to anyone looking for a new moisturizer that is more on the kind of more intense, kind of like hydrating side of things. If you do have oily skin, maybe give it a try. Maybe look for something more kind of like a normal hydration level, something even that has oil control in it. But for anyone else, I think this is an awesome moisturizer, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone and everyone. Also, the product itself, the little component is recyclable as well, so once you're done with this, you can throw it in the recycling bin and have it turn into something else one day down the line. But it is awesome, and I would definitely recommend it again. So good. So anyways, without further ado, that is it for this 5-minute review. I hope you all enjoy it. I hope it was helpful to some of you out there. If you've been looking at this product, I hope that gave you some information somewhat from one person to another on why you should maybe give it a try. So yeah, so anyways, thank you so much for watching today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and also hit that bell icon so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. If you like these videos, please let me know down in the comments below, and if you have any suggestions on products that you'd like to see me review or kind of try out and give a short little review on, then also leave those down below. I'd love to do that for you all. I love trying out skincare, trying out new things. So obviously with skincare, it does take a minute to kind of see results. So, but I would love to try out new things for all of you all. So anyways, again, thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you all are having an awesome day, awesome night, awesome morning, awesome afternoon. I hope whenever you all are watching this, I hope you guys are having an awesome one. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys.